Bollywood biggies and their nepotism had started kicking off its high limits into the high sky of revulsion. Apart from targeting Karan Johar and Sanjay Leela Bhansali and the YRF productions, there are many other lead characters who played their parts in kicking off the high spirits of the outsiders who really did not have any Bollywood clan running in their family background. Deepika Padukone, who was thought to be the queen of Bollywood, now had made her PR team to delete the comments of those people who were slamming RV's post with hatred, blaming him that he had taken away the greatest opportunities of SSR in the big screens or in the big banners of Bollywood. Out of the contest, I would like to share that SSR was not even invited in Ridhveer's wedding, but then she invited Ranbir Kapoor, who was her ex-boyfriend, to the wedding, for whom she had a mental breakdown and she had got many therapists after their breakup. So Deepika also runs an NGO in Bangalore known as Live, Love, Laugh, and that fights against depression, which had become a minor reason of unacceptance in Bollywood industries to some of the artists like SSR. To be noted, SSR also had mentioned that he was never invited to any of the Bollywood functions or select parties. Hi, this is Priyanka Datta, and today I won't say you to like or subscribe the channel. Today I will just say you, if you think that this video is worth sharing, then please share it. Well, Sanjay Leela Bhansali actually thought of casting as Sushant Singh Rajput in his movie Ram Leela, and because at that moment he was in close association with YRF, he could not sign the contract because Sushant Singh was having some clashes with YRF. And again, he was asked to cast the movie A Befikri 2, but he rejected that offer because he was doing Shekhar Kapoor's Pani movie. Well, interestingly enough, Pani movie never took off into the box office because obviously the YRF productions, the producers, they backed out from the project at the end. People think Ranveer Singh had gone through a struggle life in getting into the Bollywood industry, but let me correct you. He is a nephew of Anil Kapoor. That means he is a cousin of Sonam Kapoor. So obviously, Anil Kapoor had helped him in getting through the Bollywood industries. The main point is, Ranveer Singh had never faced any kind of Bollywood bullies the way the other celebs of the outsiders like Sushant Singh Rajput had faced. चलो मान लिया आलिया को तो इंडिया के प्रेसिडेंट के बारे में भी नहीं मालूम, but on the show of Coffee with Karan, Sonam Kapoor had acted pretty cool in not knowing who SSR was. Let me show you the clip of it.
Hot or not? Just those two words. Virat Kohli.
Hot.
Arman Kohli.
Not.
Ranbir Kapoor.
Very hot.
Imran Khan.
Extremely hot.
Sushant Singh Rajput.
Huh? Hot, I guess. I don't know.
Kangana Ranaut, who can be called as the tigress of Bollywood, had rightfully questioned the death of Sushant Singh Rajput. She calls it as a pre-planned murder. The actress had claimed that Sushant Singh को कैसे systematically dismantle करके तोड़ा गया था.
सुशांत सिंह राजपूत की हत्या के बाद कई चीजें बाहर निकल के आई हैं। कुछ मैंने इंटरव्यूज पढ़े हैं, कुछ डायरेक्टली भी बात की है। तो उनके पिताजी का कहना है कि वो फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में हो रही टेंशन के करके बहुत ज्यादा परेशान थे। अभिषेक कपूर जिन्होंने उन्हें लॉन्च किया, उनके साथ हाल ही में एक फिल्म की है केदारनाथ, उनका कहना है कि इट वाज अ सिस्टमैटिक डिसमेंटलिंग ऑफ अ फ्रेजाइल माइंड। अंकिता जो उनकी लॉन्ग टर्म पार्टनर रह चुकी हैं, उनका कहना है कि वो सामाजिक रूप से की गई अपमान और बेइज्जती नहीं सहन कर पाया। तो अब मैं आपको बताऊंगी कि मूवी माफिया ने ना कि सिर्फ उनको बैन किया था, सिस्टमैटिक डिसमेंटलिंग, कैसे कतरा करके उनका दिमाग तोड़ा गया है, उनको मारा गया है। तो ब्लाइंड आइटम आप इसलिए लिखते हैं क्योंकि आप जब झूठ लिखना होता है, आपको के अगेंस्ट कोई लीगल एक्शन नहीं लिया सकता क्योंकि आपका तो नाम ही नहीं लिखा, मगर उसकी जो डिस्क्रिप्शन होती है, जैसे मेरे बारे में लिखा जाएगा कि जिस लड़की के घुंघराले बाल हैं, जिसको नेशनल अवार्ड मिला हुआ है, साइकोटिक है, इस तरह से जो कि मनाली से डिस्क्रिप्शन पूरी दी जाएगी मगर नाम नहीं लिखा जाएगा। 23 अगस्त 2017 को बॉलीवुड लाइव सुशांत के बारे में लिखता है कि वो जब भी सेक्स करता है तो सिर्फ अपने ही गाने सुनता है, वो सबसे बड़ा नार्सिसिस्ट है। 16 दिसंबर 2016 में मुंबई मिरर लिखता है कि सुशांत एक ट्रक ड्राइवर की तरह लगता है। 22 फरवरी 2019 को मुंबई मिरर लिखता है कि पार्टी में तमाशा करने के बाद सुशांत ने कांच की बोतल एक डायरेक्टर के सर पे दे मारी। 18 अक्टूबर 2018 को डीएनए लिखता है कि सुशांत ने अपनी को एक्टर का रेप किया और वो मीटू के चलते अब जेल जा सकता है। और ऐसी न जाने कितने अनगिनत झूठ और ये जो बुद्धिजीवी जर्नलिस्ट हैं, ये जो चील कौए गिद्ध हैं जो मूवी माफिया के पाले हुए हैं, ये इसको मेंटल इमोशनल साइकोलॉजिकल लिंचिंग को जर्नलिज्म कहते हैं। मेरे बारे में आज तक जो भी कहा गया मैंने कुछ निकाला, लेकिन जब एक स्वतंत्रता सेनानी के खिलाफ गंदगी लिखी गई, मैंने उस जर्नलिस्ट को कॉन्फ्रंट किया। आपको पता है उसी रात 4 सीनियर जर्नलिस्ट ने मेरे खिलाफ एक गिल्ड बनाई। ऐलान किया गया कि इसकी फिल्म को बैन किया जाए, फ्लॉप किया जाए। आपको पता 3000 जर्नलिस्ट गैंग अप होते हैं एक अकेली लड़की पर, उसकी इमोशनल लिंचिंग करते हैं सरेआम, और ये समाज कुछ नहीं कहता, कानून कुछ नहीं कहता है। मैंने उन पे केस करने की कोशिश की, मगर 1 महीने बाद वो गायब हो गए। मेरी फिल्म रिलीज हुई, गायब हो गए। तो मेरा कहने का मतलब ये है कि अगर ये समाज जिस अन्याय की बुनियाद पर खड़ा है और कभी आवाज नहीं, आप ये पढ़ते हैं, चटकारे लेते हैं, कभी आपने सोचा है कि कभी नेपो किड्स के बारे में ये क्यों नहीं लिखा जाता है? तो ये अन्याय का फंदा किसी दिन आपके बच्चों के गले में लटका मिलेगा, आपके गले में लटका मिलेगा। इसलिए जब तालियां बजेगी और सीटियां बजेगी तब आपको पता चलेगा कि क्या गुजरती होगी।
Media and Bollywood had shattered thousands of dreams of a small town boy who really did a mistake by thinking that he could conquer the world of Bollywood, which is surrounded by the so-called kings of the big screen. SSR proved himself to be very much generous towards donating funds to the needy people. He had proved himself many a times that he had a character of being down to earth. While shooting in Delhi, he quietly came to Dimapur and he handed over a check of 1.25 crores to the CM nephew Rayo. There was no fanfare, there was no major publicity. Rajput donated rupees 1 crore to CM DRF in the name of his fan and uploaded the screenshot saying My Kerala. As promised, Sushant made the contribution to the Chief Minister's Relief Fund, following which he wrote, "As promised, my friend, what you wanted to do has been done. You made me do this, so be extremely proud of yourself. You delivered exactly what it is needed. Lots and lots of love." Sushant had a passion for astronomy. His Instagram account was a proof of it, and we would be saying many of the pictures are from his stargazing experiments. Sushant Singh Rajput owned a super expensive and one of the most advanced telescope in the world, Meade 14 Alex 600, that he bought because he always wanted to see the rings of the planet Saturn. He even had 50 things to do in his bucket list, where one was he wanted to take the kids to NASA. Sushant Singh Rajput was extremely fascinated with the celestial bodies, and he was the only Indian who bought a piece of land on Moon. The lunar area which he bought is called the Sea of Muscovy. He had bought the property from the International Lunar Lands Registry. Sushant Singh Rajput also had a passion for flying and also got his license. He even bought a super expensive flight simulator and wanted to buy a plane next. He got an impressive new Boeing 737 fixed base flight simulator. Rajput was a national level Olympiad winner in physics and had cleared as many as 11 engineering entrance exams. However, he dropped out after completing 3 years of Delhi School of Engineering to chase his dream of becoming an actor. He also stood at 7th rank AIEEE in 2003. Sushant Singh Rajput also left Stanford scholarship offered to pursue his dream of becoming an actor in Bollywood and sought inspiration from Shah Rukh Khan in Dilwale Dulhania Le Jayenge. SSR, who did so much in his life, who had so much of dreams that were left to be fulfilled, do you think he would suddenly decide to end up his life? Well, from the sources that we have heard, he cleared the salaries of his servant and had told them that he won't be able to, pay them in his further future. His rumored girlfriend, Rhea Chakravarti, who was living with him in his apartment, had left him just few days back before his demise because they had a fight between them. The Mumbai police station had called her for interrogation, and the interrogation stayed for up to 9 long hours. It was noted that Sushant Singh was going through some mental health problems, and his manager Siddhant Pathani had stated that he stopped taking his medicines that treated his depression just some few weeks before his death, because the actor had told him that he was feeling better. What do you think? The actor who was feeling better suddenly decides to commit suicide, or suddenly decides to end up his life. Was he really feeling better, or did he just lost faith in living his life? Even Siddhant had informed the Mumbai police that the late actor's ex-manager Disha, who also committed suicide on June 8th, that news also had given Asisa a quite big shock and depression. Sushant called his girlfriend Rhea Chakravarti on Saturday night, the day before he died. And also he tried calling his friend Mahesh Shetty hours before he took his life. My question is, did he really committed suicide, or was this a pre-planned murder? Like Kangana Ranaut had said, that the Napa kids are never being trolled by the media, but whatever allegations the media had fight against Sushant Singh was never been true. There are many more untold stories about these cases, while the Mumbai police is still investigating the case, and they are left to give us more details. At last, I would like to request everyone here, please don't think that depression is the reason that you need to commit suicide. No, please don't let the depression kill you. Fight back the urge of ending up your life. Be strong, be happy. Jai Hind.
If you have the news that you want the world to know, please contact us in our Facebook, Insta, or our email ID. Everything is in the description box below.